A good instructor always try to take you back, what I call a crime scene. That was a crime scene you made. You got to rectify that. Next roundabout coming up is a major roundabout. I would like you to cross the roundabout ahead, going second exit towards chorley. Good. So what are you planning? Are you going to be using the right lane or the left lane?
Left lane for now.
Yeah. Good.
Whereas second exit towards second exit towards
Okay. Hold on.
Forgot to count that one.
Gosh it. So just recap what happened there.
I was positioned this way and I forgot to count that one.
You did quite well. When you were approaching, you told me that you're going to be in the left lane, don't you? And we're in the left lane. Did you saw the arrows painted on the floor?
First one, yeah? That way or straight.
Well done. Left lane only to go ahead or the left turning, and you're supposed to go to the right. Would you going to cut on like this or would you continue?
Continue.
You continue. Now, if I would not have intervened that time, that was the biggest risk you have taken for the day so far. People on the right lane,
They understand that they're going.
because when they're emerging, where they're looking, they're not looking that somebody will be coming to their road because that lane is not supposed to be for them. So most likely they don't even know.
Yeah.
And I asked you what is the most important one. You told me ahead.
Yes.
And we try to go to the right. Yeah, so it's very important. Did you saw the big signboard?
Green one, yeah?
What was the picture like? What was the direction was telling you as well? There's so much information there.
One arrow going that way.
One arrow going.
One going straight and one going that way.
So that arrow going there, what was certain there?
That was the first exit.
Yeah, but what was it's saying taking you to the retail park?
Okay.
Did you saw that?
I didn't read retail powers.
But you know there was one there. And where was the chorley sign?
Ahead.
Ahead.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
moment of madness though, yeah? But that's why we do this local area knowledge is important though.
Yeah.
So roundabout we're going ahead, second exit going towards chorley.
Ahead, second exit towards Chorley. Lane discipline, I'm staying in my lane.
It's all learning procedures, isn't it? You learn from your mistakes, isn't it? A good instructor always try to take you back, what I call a crime scene. That was a crime scene you made. You got to rectify that. Arun, are you taking me to McDonald's? I'm not hungry at the moment. Maybe once you pass, then you can take me to Jamaican food. I don't mind that.
That's the blocker there.
Okay.
One.
No, a bit more further. About and there. Stop now for me. Now, can you see this island here?
Yeah.
Because the traffic is not moving, should we go and block the red car coming out, or we should stop here?
Stop here because we are going straight. They can have space to go.
Absolutely, they can go if they needed to. It's all about patience and safety.